Hey guys, I am super excited how close I am to FPV flight. I was able to mount the servo camera system in the cowling of the airplane. I'm pretty happy that I was able to mount everything pretty close to the center of gravity. That's going to make it pretty easy to fly. It's just going to weigh it down, so I need a little bit extra power in the motor, so I upgraded the battery a little bit. I like how that antenna turned out. That was pretty cool. Everything installed relatively clean, so I'm pretty happy about that. Like I said, pretty close to the center of gravity. I put the camera kind of towards the front. The pan tilt system is going to be awesome. I can't wait to fly this thing. Please subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time.